Computers are at the heart of everything, from smartwatches to space rockets. But do you know where it all began? In this video, we'll explore the history, parts, functions, and languages of computers in one fast-paced journey. Let's go! The first electronic general-purpose computer was ENIAC, developed in 1945 by John Presper Eckert and John Mauchly. It was used by the U.S. Army for ballistic research.
The World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. The Internet, as a global network, evolved from ARPANET in the late 1960s.
And Google? Founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, it changed the way we access information forever.
Let's break down generations of computers.
First generation, 1940s to 1956, used vacuum tubes.
Second generation, 1956 to 1963, switched to transistors.
Third generation, 1964 to 1971, used integrated circuits or ICs.
Fourth generation, 1971 to present, introduced microprocessors and VLSI.
Fifth generation, now and future, based on ULSI and AI. Each generation made computers faster, smaller, and smarter.
Input and output ports allow external devices to communicate with the CPU.
In an 8085-based microcomputer, there are 256 input ports and 256 output ports, accessed through special instructions.
A bit is the smallest data unit, 0 or 1.
A nibble equals 4 bits.
A byte equals 8 bits, enough to store one character.
LIFO stands for last in, first out. The last element entered in a data structure is the first one removed.
Think of a stack of plates.
Input devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner, webcam.
Output devices, monitor, printer, speakers.
Touchscreen, it's both input and output. It displays visuals and registers your touch.
Quick hacks for PowerPoint pros.
Ctrl plus G equals group items. Ctrl plus Q equals save and close. Ctrl plus E equals center align. Shift plus F5 equals start slideshow from current slide. Ctrl plus K equals insert link. Ctrl plus N equals new presentation. Ctrl plus M equals insert new slide.
FORTRAN stands for Formula Translation, developed in 1957 by John Backus.
It simplified scientific programming and opened the door for high-level languages.
Laser printer, fast, precise for high-quality text and images.
Dot matrix, noisy, forms characters with pins used in banks.
Daisy wheel, like a typewriter used for letter-quality printing. Inside the CPU, we have
Register unit stores temporary data and instructions.
Control unit, directs all operations.
ALU, or arithmetic logic unit, performs calculations and logic operations.
Common types of registers include MAR, memory address register, MDR, memory data register, accumulator, which stores intermediate results, and program counter, which tracks instruction sequence.
COBOL stands for Common Business-Oriented Language, designed in 1959 by Codicil, partly inspired by Grace Hopper's Flow-Matic.
It's still used in banking and government systems.
A webcam captures images or video into the system, so it's clearly an input device.
DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on a network, so you don't have to configure them manually.
Access time, how fast data can be retrieved.
Downtime, when a system or service is unavailable.
Faster access, less downtime equals better performance. Peripheral devices are external components connected to a computer. Examples include
A microprocessor is a powerful CPU chip used in computers.
A microcontroller is a compact chip with CPU plus memory plus I/O, ideal for embedded systems like washing machines or IoT devices.
From ENIAC to AI, computers have transformed our world. If you learned something new today, subscribe and comment your favorite topic below.